Again, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can report any loan apps or these scammers loan app to Play Store. It's very, very important to understand how to report it. Some people don't know. They will come here and flag it. That will not work in any form. So I want to report these scammers, Naira Corp. And to do that, just click on share and get the last value like this up to this place. Not and ignore this and com.nairacorp.nigerian loan. You copy it and go to you can check the link below the comment section. You will see the link to Play Store. It's very, very important. So any loan apps that you see with call log permission or SMS permission, specifically call log permission, is a must for you to report them. Any other loan app beyond that, they can't, you don't need to report. But with call log permission, they still have access to some of your details. So this Naira Corp, they've been around for some time. So that's why Google did not really remove them. So you select the two, you mark this, and then your name and what you copied. So you paste it here. Oops. So let me remove this guy. So it's going to be, you only copy this, Control C, and you paste it like this, com.nairacorp.com, and then privacy violation, select privacy violation, select user data, select personal and sensitive user. Of course, that's what they do, because the type of violation, they are actually copying your file. Then personal and sensitive user data. So you can select that. You can also select others. So you can also where did you find the suspected policy violation while using the app, which is fine. Where in the app did you find this suspected policy violation after signing in? Does the suspected policy violation involve content that user contributes? No. So you didn't contribute anything and they are violating your privacy. Is the application still available on Play Store? You said yes, and select your location and click submit. Excellent. So once you submit like this, you can be rest assured that Google Play Store will contact you and they will do action. So I want you to import this Naira Corp and every other loan apps that you think they have access to your call log. Please report them so that we can take them down so that others will not fall victim. Thank you.